So have you ever thought about combining video lights and also use the same light for photography? You should have had that question in your mind at some point in your creative journey. And that's what I try to answer in this video today. Hi guys, welcome to another review video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a product I've been using. If you can see also in this video, somewhere behind the light, which is the light which is pointed to the wall, is the GVM light. For some reason, all my lights are GVM. I use the GVM also behind me for my hair lights, and they've been doing, it's been good so far. And that's why I bought another one, which is the GVM SD300. And that's what we're trying to unbox, so you can have a feeling of what it is from the box. I really don't do a lot of reviews of products I don't use. Much of the products I review are the products I'm currently using here. So yes, let's hop on straight to see how I'm going to unbox it. This is like the second one I have. So from the box in here, it comes in this way. I think, pardon me, I don't have a scissors, so I just use the knife. So yeah. So I think it's the best deal you have, although you can get probably the newer version, and you can either get the newer version. I think you have the newer lights, you have different products. So you can actually go for a different manufacturer. I think you have Aperture, you have newer, you have different lights like this, especially in the 300 watts region, which is like a basic light for a filmmaker if you want to shoot interviews. And I used this particular light to shoot an interview recently, which I love the whole outlook. Also, I went for RGB because I love to, switch colors without having to use gels. And so that's just the brain behind it. One more thing, why did I even choose GVM? If you notice the hair light I have, which I've been using for close to 3 years now, that hair light is GVM, and that was the first video light I bought. And so just to keep consistency, I got some cheaper deals, about $50 cheaper for, I think, newer. But I felt like in the long run, I want all my video lights to be GVM, while my lights for photography is usually the Godox or the Flashpoint. So I try to keep it simple as much as possible. So yes, let's go back to the unboxing and see what you get in the box. So this is the box. This is the box. So I will just take it off. So it comes with this very big and nice bag. I like the bag. I'm gonna keep the bag and use it. I mean, that it was intended for that purpose. So I'll pull it out of the box. Ooh. Ooh. Oops. There you go. It's kind of heavy, but yeah, that's it. So this is what you have straight from the box. And if you notice from what you have in the box, you have this to help you to move it from one place to another. So what I do usually, I pack these lights and some other lights in this bag and ensure it's safe. So yes, this is what you have. So there are two things I like about the lights. Number one, you have very good cords or wire, which is good. You have this from the pack. You have this also. So I'll just put it here. And then you have this guy here. So I rarely use this, although I use it for photography, which is like a diffuser kind of. Let me use it on this view, somewhat like a diffuser. I use it for photography, but I rarely use it for video because I have I usually invest in the soft or diffusers. Yes, so that's what you have from this. This is what it looks like, and it's quite good. So if we go back to this, so you can see you have the manuals. I think you can read it if you want to. And then you have the big boy, which is the very big light. So as pertaining to price, I think, so that's all you have in the box. Yeah, this was used to just ensure the diffuser do not wrinkle. So that's all you have in the box. I've seen a lot of reviews, but let's just look at the light. and I'll turn it on. I'll try to plug it, turn it on so you can see. So it comes this way. It comes with a cover. Why does this feel heavy? It feels heavier than the one I got, the previous one. But yeah, that's it. Very good light. One thing you should notice, or one thing you should note about the light, is that you have these covers and you're instructed not to use the light with the covers. You can't even do that because of the Bowens mount. Again, one good reason I bought the light is most of my diffusers are Bowens mount. So this is the Bowens mount on this view, the Bowens mount here. So most of my lights are Bowens mount, so I don't bother too much. So let me just plug this real quick and let's get this going. Oh yeah. Okay, before we plug it in, just to look at it, you have just some output and input. This is the, let me take this off the way. So you have a fan which helps with the heat down here. You have a fan down here which helps with the heat exchanger. Then you have DMX in, DMX out. This for sound. You have the knobs, which I think it's pretty easy. It's quite easy to understand. I got it the first day I used it, and it's been working well. So the power goes in here, and then you turn it on. Really simple setup. I believe other lights are like this, but this is the only video lights or the video brand I've been using. So I've been using just the GVM lights. So let me just take it off and plug it in. So I use this on, again, I'll put a link to the video where I used it. I use it as a key light, but you know, I could not turn off the lights in the room because I didn't have a lot of lights. But probably the next time I'll have such shoots, I'll probably turn off the lights in the room, then use this as my surrounding lights. Either ways. But yeah, that's how it works. So one beautiful thing about, one beautiful thing about this, let me put it this way, is that you have this groove here which helps you to key it in. You can key it in here. I think it's this way. Yeah. So, and then it's there, so you can secure it safely, which is one thing I had issues with, or I still even have issues with the SD80S, which is the backlight I'm using for this video, which is the one, or the headlight. So usually there's nowhere to hang the adapter. Yeah, so real quick, I just want to plug it in, and then you just see how it works. Really simple setup. Okay, so yeah, so I just plugged it in real quick here. Let me take this off. So I just plugged it in real quick, and let's turn it on. I'm sure this is the moment you'll be waiting for. So you have some very good things about the light. You have the LCD display. Also, you have the logo which shines. Oof, that's a lot. Let me turn it down. I want to turn the intensity down. Yeah. So again, it's the logo lights up when you turn it in. So real quick, I'll connect the app to my phone, and usually I control it with the GVM app, which is what I use on my phone. So basically, that's all about the lights. I would take you through some of the ways I use it, but that's all about the lights, the setting up. So yes, that's it on this video. Now, the beauty of what I do here is that I try to, take you behind the scenes to see how I shoot both video and my photography. And so if you've not subscribed, this is the right time to do so. Even in case you want to check the behind the scenes of some of the video I've done, this is the right time to click on this link right up here. Thank you.